Ripple going public after SEC case means huge news for XRP. This is not the first run-through the media has revealed about Ripple possibly going public to the world. On a profit call a month ago, the CEO of one of Ripple's biggest external investors, SBI Holdings, said that Ripple wanted to go public to the world after the claim was settled. SBI's CEO, Yoshitaka Kitao, allegedly said, "After the current claim, Ripple will go public to the world. Current CEO needs to do that. Chris needs to do that." Garlinghouse focused on that any first sale of stock, IPO, plans would need to stand by until Ripple settle its claim with the U.S. Protections and Exchange Commission, SEC. He further brought up that the protections controller will be the one supporting Ripple's public contribution, all things considered. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse was asked by the Consensus 2021 meeting on Wednesday whether Ripple will turn into a public organization. He answered that the probability is extremely high eventually. Hello everyone, welcome to Future Crypto. Here you'll become acquainted with the daily crypto news along with the price predictions and updates. In today's video, you'll know about Ripple's plans to go public after SEC lawsuit over XRP is resolved, information about the IPO, whether the price will go after the IPO, and if buying or not would be a good idea. Ripple's plans to go public after SEC lawsuit over XRP is resolved. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse says it's highly likely that the company will go public after its SEC lawsuit is concluded. President of Ripple Brad Garlinghouse expressed the organization could go public to the world if and when it settle its claim with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The CEO was gotten some information about the possibility of going public to the world and, as per Business Insider, reacted by saying the odds are high sooner or later. This is the second time the organization has expressed as a lot after investors said the organization intended to take the action on an income call. After the news broke, the XRP hopped 14%. There might be a lengthy, difficult experience before the way is cleared for posting, notwithstanding. As announced by Forecast, with a report on the legitimate fighting, CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Chris Larsen have requested that an appointed authority move the US SEC to deliver significant inside records on Bitcoin, Ether, and XRP, and to prevent the SEC from mentioning data on XRP from unfamiliar controllers. The SEC's endeavors address an end go around the revelation rules, permitting it to lead disclosure past the court's domain and disturbing the level battleground that the government rules endeavor to make, the Ripple executives' lawyers composed. Because of the expansiveness of such demands and the inclusion of unfamiliar controllers, respondents are additionally worried about cooling Ripple's business exercises. Simultaneously, Ripple needs admittance to the SEC's inside reports, which may enlighten the manner in which the Commission has been seeing cryptos when all is said and done, and XRP specifically. Should those archives be created, and on the off chance that they show some uncertainty about whether XRP and Brethren are protections, which may open the entryway for the dispute that XRP could be utilized as a money or in customarily characterized exchanges. Revelation is scheduled to go on until July as indicated by reports. What's more, should things continue to preliminary that might haul out the finish of that section and a possible posting? Meanwhile, other crypto plays, as Coinbase, have been going public to the world without the equivalent legitimate inquiries. Should XRP be given the cash assignment, all things considered, its worth would take off, which would stir up excitement for a Ripple posting. Yet, in the event that the space becomes busy with a huge number of public crypto-centered postings, financial backer exhaustion could set in. Timing is everything, as is commonly said. The initial public offering, IPO. Ripple's choice to go public to the world is a long way from amazing thinking about how effective Coinbase's dispatch was. On the principal day that Coinbase was recorded on the NASDAQ, its capitalization hit $100 billion at a certain point, ultimately finishing the day at $85.5 billion. After this latest declaration, XRP hopped 6%, yet has backtracked somewhat to 96 cents. At this crossroads, the significant burglary for Ripple Labs to take the leap forward and IPO is the SEC claim recorded against it back on December 22, 2020. This was a move that Garlinghouse responded to by saying that it's not just Grinch-worthy, it's shocking. The claim names Ripple Labs, Garlinghouse, and fellow benefactor Christian Larson. The suit charges that XRP raised more than $1.3 billion through an unregistered continuous advanced resource protections offering. Accordingly, Garlinghouse guaranteed that XRP is, truth be told, an item and that the USA is a lone country that runs down XRP as a security. All different nations characterize XRP as a cash. The suit proceeds to charge Ripple dispersed billions of XRP in return for non-cash contemplations, for example, market production administration. This has become a typical issue recently for the SEC and Commodities Future Trading Commission, CFTC. Each has discovered challenges in figuring out which digital forms of money are items and which are protections. To handle this issue, the public authority, the supposed Take Out Barriers to Innovation Act of 2021, passed the House vote in April. On the off chance that the Senate gives the go-ahead, a joint working gathering of regular people will exhort the two elements and foster arrangements on tending to computerized resources. Where does XRP go after Ripple IPO comments? Ripple is warming up earlier today following an exciting, most recent 24 hours. Chief Brad Garlinghouse is voicing his grievances against U.S. controllers, and financial backers are feeling idealistic about the continuous U.S. Protections and Exchange Commission claim. Considering this, the XRP coin is rising again today. Ripple XRP value forecasts are of financial backer interest once more. An idea token for XRP with heaps of tokens behind the scenes. It's been an occupied 2021 for Ripple. As the organization fights the SEC in court over the legitimateness of its contributions, XRP has discovered solidness in abroad trades. Presently, financial backers are trusting that Ripple is en route to settle the suit. As that settlement comes nearer, there is a theory of an approaching IPO. InvestorPlace essayist William White detailed yesterday that Yoshitaka Kitao, CEO of SBI Group, says Ripple will be going public to the world after the settlement. In the wake of participating in the new Ripple profit call, Kitao says that he knows Garlinghouse and Ripple Executive Chairman Chris Larson both need to take the organization public. Garlinghouse is keeping financial backer interest high today after his appearance on CNBC. Garlinghouse is voicing his disappointment with an absence of lucidity in U.S. guidelines. Referring to the SEC claim against his organization, Garlinghouse says the U.S. has neglected to convey clear direction on cryptos. He's likewise applauding Singapore and South Korea for their administration drove endeavors to make administrative systems for crypto. Ripple XRP price predictions. With these disclosures coming to financial backers consistently, it bodes well that there is an unexpected, expanded interest in Ripple XRP value expectations. We should take a gander at what examiners are saying about the fate of XRP. InvestingCube is advancing a value spike coming to XRP soon. This spike is dependent upon the cash's consistent move to the $1.62 mark. Coinpedia trusts XRP could come to the $2 mark before the year is over. It additionally imagines that with an especially bullish tear, it could rocket to $5. The Economy Forecast Agency is not pretty much as bullish as some on XRP. The site predicts a $1.54 cost for it in December, about the value it's going for now. In like manner, InvestorPlace essayist Will Ashworth is more bearish on XRP. He predicts a coming rectification for the coin. Is it a good idea to buy XRP now? In spite of the organization's legitimate difficulties, XRP's exhibition in the market has remained generally solid. XRP, however, was edged off its fourth situation by Dogecoin, DOGE, keeps on developing in esteem with more than a 12% increment just now. It has, as of late, proceeded to designate an ex-SEC part as one of its directorate. By the by, it's impossible to tell that it seriously needs an IPO for two reasons. One, for the cash, and two, for reestablishing severely gouged public certainty. Ripple tries to outshine Coinbase by establishing a solid standard. An effective posting would see a radical worth upshot to XRP and its all-around energetic $60 billion market valuation, which right now fixes the advanced cash's cost at $1.64. Going public to the world will take the cost of the tech resource, which presently sits at $1.48 through the rooftop on crypto trades. Money Street is now backing the chance of a Ripple public posting, and this will build its market capitalization as financial backers pour in. Ripple Labs, famous for its innovativeness, stands to acquire from a public posting, as more finances will mean more cash to back research. Ripple has effectively beaten the market's best with an exchange speed of only 3 seconds, alongside different innovations like XRapid and XCurrent, and organizations with MoneyGram, UniCredit, and Bank of America. So, this is it from us for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. What do you think about Ripple going public after the SEC lawsuit is resolved? Let us know in the comments section below.